How to fix Twitter can't see likes and retweets. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix Twitter can't see likes and retweets. If you are unable to see likes and retweets on Twitter, it could be due to several reasons. Here are some of the steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Sometimes the problem may be temporary and can be resolved by simply refreshing your Twitter feed or the specific tweet in question. For that, try refreshing your page and see if the likes and retweets reappear. Also, ensure that you have stable internet connection. You can also try switching to a different network or resetting your internet connection if necessary. You may also turn on and turn off airplane mode. If you are using the Twitter application on your mobile device, then make sure you have the latest version installed. You can also try clearing your cache. For that, go to Device Settings, under Applications, select Twitter application. Here select Internet Storage and then Clear Cache. You may also clear data if necessary. But remember, you may need to re-log into your account after clearing your data. After doing this, reload your Twitter and see if the retweets are visible. Also, ensure that your account's privacy settings are configured correctly. If your account is set to private, only approved followers will be able to see your likes and retweets. You can adjust your privacy setting in your Twitter application and check if the issue still persists. Also, try logging out of your Twitter account and then re-log in back. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches or issues with the loading content. If the problem persists despite trying these steps, you may need to reach out to the Twitter support for future assistance. They can investigate the issue and provide you the personalized troubleshooting steps. So by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of not being able to see likes and retweets on Twitter. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.